I'm going to show you what types of appointments you can book and navigate. So if you click under Appointments and then Schedule an Appointment, it will give you all of the different options under what type of appointment would you like to schedule. We went through tutoring in another video, but I want to show you the other options here. So our accessibility counselor, so if you have a diagnosed disability, if you had a 504 IEP in high school, or you want to explore what that would look like to have accommodation planning, this would be the best person to connect with. This is Melissa Olson. Advising. So some advisors put their advising availability in here. So all of the advisors in the advising center and some of the faculty advisors will show up in here. If your specific advisor is not showing as an option, then you'll want to reach out to them directly because not everybody uses this feature. If you need help with research and you want to connect with a librarian, this is a great option here, and they can certainly help you with research and getting started in papers. Student support is for our student support counselor, so Kristen Butterfield Farrell. So if you have questions or concerns that are outside of academic, so if you are looking for resources around food insecurity, transportation, housing, anything along those lines, or mental health resources, she's a great person to connect with here.